Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to find 16-digit debit card number without card. So basically this may differ from you, but depending on what the card that you're using from what bank, it's gonna be different. But I'm gonna use Revolut for this tutorial, and basically on Revolut you'll have to simply open the app and then tap on this card icon in the top right corner. Then what you have to do, you're gonna see here all your cards. So you're gonna see your physical and virtual cards. So you have to simply tap on the card you want to see the 16-digit debit card number. And then you'll have to simply tap on show details, and basically that's all you have to do. Then you'll be able to see your 16-digit debit card number and your CVV and the expiration date. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.